Hi there ladies and gentlemen, I am Farhan from Sit2Week, and in this video series I will be uploading all the tips and tricks and tutorials about Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and eventually graphic design. So you will be expecting to learn all the things, all the aspects of these softwares and graphic design of course through this channel. So stick with us and you'll be learning this super cool stuff. In this today's video, we will be learning how to remove background from any simple image within just one click. And for your convenience, I have uploaded the timestamp in the description. So you can always skip the sections and go through your desired sections anytime, anywhere. So I have already taken an image, and in this image we can clearly see the dark particles and the background is obviously dark. So what we have to do, we just have to remove all the dark particles, and obviously after that our background will be removed and only the face and only the green color will remain, and that's what we really want. So in order to do that, first of all we have to export an image in order to be removed. We know that, so I have already did it. And when you first export an image in the Photoshop, what you have to do, just have to click on the layer image because it will be locked. You just have to press the lock icon to unlock it. If you don't find the layer panel in your right side, you just have to go to the window, and here you are. Either you can press the F7 or you can just directly click on this layer icon, so it will open. So it should be unlocked, and after it is unlocked, what you have to do, you just have to press W. What is W is, it just enables Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool is under the object selection tool menu. You just have to click the right button to open up the panel, and you can click Magic Wand tool. Okay, the Magic Wand tool, it just picks the same color all over the canvas. For example, if I click just a simple click on any dark particles here, and boom, it just took every dark particles in a selection. See, there is no green particles selected, and that's the magic of it, and that's why it's called Magic Wand tool. But however, there is a catch, that Magic Wand tool is not the ideal one to remove the background. We will see later why. So as the dark particles are already selected, if I press the delete button of my keyboard, and there you go, our background is totally removed. Only what remained is our subject. We can clearly see. But remember, I have told you that the Magic Wand tool is not the ideal to remove background. Because why I'm telling you, now let's see if we can zoom the image, and you can clearly see the edges are totally torn out like a paper. So this is not we want. Okay, but normally if you can clearly remove any background just like this using the Magic Wand tool. Let me give an example. First we can create a layer, and we can make the layer totally black. So we have another background, but it's totally black. So now in this case, where our background is totally one color, consisting of one color, we can remove the background just Magic Wand tool. And there's the power of Magic Wand tool. It just takes all the same color into one account and it creates a selection. In this case, I'm creating this selection again, and if I press delete again, yep, the background is removed. Not only just black, we can create red, and that will work too. Yep. So here how you can remove background, and there are thousands, and not thousands, there are a few more techniques to remove the background, and eventually we can also use any other images as background. We will see the later, and regular videos will be uploaded, so stick with us. So here we are. If you really like this video, do subscribe and comment down below if you learned something new. Share this video with your friends, family and whoever you like. I'll be uploading new videos regularly, inshallah. And till then, see you later, alligator.